Hello kids. Violet color, brown color, orange color, red color, dark green color, purple color, yellow color, light green color, black color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for ant. B for box. C for cucumber. D for dress. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G for gun. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pillow. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. S for salt. T for tree. U for universe. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.